Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can install Composer on Ubuntu Linux distro. So let's get started. You can see this is my Linux distro. I'm going to launch my terminal. And very first thing you do, what do you do? Make sure that everything is visible clearly to you. Clear the screen, so make sure that, and then go to and then what you do, sudo app update. That's the first thing before you start downloading, installing anything on this system, specifically in Linux distros. Okay, so now you go to getcomposer.org homepage, and on the homepage you simply go to homepage first, getting started, and click on this installation of Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and you can see you can download it, the Composer executable. You can visit this GitHub page, and there are two types of installation: local and global. Local means in a specific application that would be once it's implemented in this particular or that particular application, the Composer is not going to be available in other directory. The other one is you can install Composer globally, which makes sense today because we won't have to install it manually all the time. You can simply go ahead and run Composer in every directory on the system. So it is basically PHP stuff that you want to have a look at. That's an installer. Composer tree main npm install. What is this? Teaches. Okay. Something to do with JS. We are going to leave it. So standard ML. It uses ML. Okay, you see a PHP, twig, shell, and JavaScript. So bash. Okay, that's it. You can see. So we are going to basically close it, and what it does say, you'll have to run the installer download page instructions. So go ahead and open this one, and I'm going to see the web page is slow. Get composer down. Finally up. Okay. Alrighty. So we have everything here. Okay. Anything that was there for global installation we got here. So simply go ahead and copy everything. I'm going to copy this one, paste it here, hit enter. We are done. So line by line. Okay guys. Okay. Installation verified. Okay, so we are going to run the Composer setup. Make sure it says installation verified. So you should always visit this page. You should not follow my video tutorial. Okay? If you're going to install it after a year or two, or whenever this Composer is upgraded. Okay, so this will change, right? And then you want to unlink it. Okay, unlinked. I want to move it. Done. And what else? Make sure you already have PHP installed. I already have. Notable installation options. down channel. Now if I go ahead and check if composer is available, it is. Okay, so that's what we have, guys. 2.6.3 as of today, September the 19th. Everything looks okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment. Thank you.